If you are brushing twice a day, flossing, and still waking up with bleeding gums, unexpected cavities, or a completely dry mouth, stop blaming your toothbrush. Your oral cavity is direct mirror of your hormonal health. Today, we are deep dive into the 5 hormonal shifts from your menstrual cycle to cortisol and insulin resistance that are actively altering your saliva and changing your smile. Most importantly, I'm giving you 5 simple medical grade biohacks you can do at home and reserve or reverse the damage today. Welcome back to the channel. Let's start with your monthly cycle. Around day 14, during ovulation, your estrogen levels skyrocket. This massive surge delegates to microscopic blood vessels in your gums, making them hypersensitive to even the smallest speck of plaque. Then, just 3 days before your periods, progesterone spikes. This causes what we clinically call progesterone gingivitis. If your gums bleed only during these specific weeks, you don't have permanent gum disease. You have a cyclic vascular response. Furthermore, heavy periods causes a drop in iron, which reduces oxygenation in your saliva, lowering your mouth's natural defense against acid. Your immediate treatment during your ovulation and the week before your periods, switch to a warm salt water rinse twice a day and gently massage your gums with virgin coconut oil for 1 minute before bed to block hormonal inflammation. Why? Yeah, now what happens when estrogen drops drastically, like during perimenopause, menopause, or periods, or instance athletic training? Estrogen is responsible for keeping all your mucous membranes lubricated. When it crashes, your salivary gland slows down, leading to a chronic dry mouth. Saliva in your mouth's primary shield. Without it, cavity causing bacteria multiply exponentially. This drop also triggers burning mouth syndrome, an uncomfortable hot sensation on the tip of your tongue caused by altered oral nervous pathway. It can even lead to rapid bone density loss in your jaw, causing your teeth to shift overnight. To fix this, look for sugar free mint containing xylitol to stimulate natural saliva flow and rinse the cooled chamomile tea to calm through irritated oral nerves instantly. Now, our third pillar is the stress hormone, the cortisol. When you are under chronic emotional or physical stress, your body pumps out cholesterol, forcing your brain into a pectoral fight or flight state at night. This triggers bruxism, unconscious teeth clenching and grinding while you sleep. This massive mechanical pressure causes your jaw stiffness, morning headache, and can literally crack your dental fillings. Astrologically or biologically high cholesterol also drains cellular COQ10 from your gum tissues, breaking down the microscopic ligaments that hold your teeth firmly in the place. Your treatment framework: apply a warm damp towel to your jaw muscles for 2 minutes right before the bed and practice slow belly breath breathing. And practice 5 slow after every or before every meal to turn off the sympathetic nerve system spike. Now, like fourth pillar is our thyroid. If you suffer from hypothyroidism, your entire cellular metabolic slows down. This means your body cannot probably absorb vital minerals like calcium and phosphorus. The result: your teeth becomes brittle, chip easily, even on soft foods. A sluggy thyroid also causes systemic fluid retention, leading to a swollen, scalloped tongue with wavy edges where it pressures against your teeth. It even slows down your stomach acid production, causing digestive gases to back up, creating chronic bad breath that mouthwash simply cannot mask. To protect your enamel from a slow thyroid, switch to a nano hydroxypeptide toothpaste to remineralize your enamel directly, and use a copper tongue scraper every single morning to boost the local blood circulation. Finally, let's talk about our insulin resistance and PCOS. When your body has chronically high insulin levels, it changes the protein composition of your saliva. This causes calcium to calcify into rock hard tartar at double the normal speed, especially behind your lower front teeth. High insulin also dumps excessive glucose directly into your oral fluid, essentially feeding bad bacteria 24/7. This can manifest as recurrent mouth ulcers, oral thrush, or dark hyperpigmentation along the gum lining. Your biohack here is the timing. Swish your mouth thoroughly with plain water immediately after every single meal or snack to flush out excessive glucose, and add 2 drops of pure oregano oil to your morning mouth rinse to balance out the oral microbiome. Your oral health, your hormonal health are deeply entangled. By fixing the root cause, you save your smile and balances your body. If you found this masterclass helpful, hit the subscribe button right now. Leave a comment letting me know which of these 5 signs you are noticing in your body, and I'll see you in our daily community poll that I put at every 2 p.m. And do watch my quick tips into the shorts, and I'll see you on the next Thursday at 5 p.m. in the next episode of Deep Dive Talk. And till then, stay healthy and stay tuned.